Good evening, everyone. I'm Christy Casciano.
And I'm Rod Wood. A state Supreme Court judge writing a scathing written decision to the owners of Shoppingtown Mall, Moonbeam Capital.
Right now, we want to go live to News Channel 9's Jeff Kulikowski. He has been going through that 13-page decision, Jeff, and how much do they owe and how long do they have to pay out?
Christy and Rod, it's $9.7 million and change, and that has to be paid within 14 days. Now, Judge Paris, reading through that 13-page document, certainly basing his decision on the law, but he really did very little to hide his disdain for the way Moonbeam's been dodging paying its taxes here.
Judge Paris says Moonbeam's conduct in regards to the tax issue at Shoppingtown has been based on a strategy rooted in obstinance and bad faith. This lawsuit was filed over 2 years ago by Benderson Development, which bought the Macy's property at Shoppingtown back in 2015 from the retailer. It's suing Moonbeam, claiming the mall owner's failure to pay taxes is not only making it difficult to redevelop this part of the mall, but also putting it in imminent jeopardy of being lost to the county. Moonbeam's position has been that it has been challenging its tax bill in good faith, which it legally has a right to do. While the judge says, based on all the evidence, Moonbeam's actions totally lack any semblance of good faith in dealing with its obligation to pay taxes on the mall. The evidence shows Moonbeam has not paid any taxes since 2015, and the 4-year bill now totals nearly $10 million, the county reimbursing the town of DeWitt for this sum. The mall owner claiming it was excused from paying the taxes because it was acting in good faith to lower the amount it's being charged. Paris, again, in no uncertain terms, finds Moonbeam has dismally failed to meet this burden of proof. The assessment and therefore taxes were already lowered for the previous owner, the final amount settled on in 2015, so Moonbeam getting a piece of that, and by law, not allowed to challenge its tax bills for 3 years. Didn't stop them from still contesting and challenging in court. And why the judge railed that Moonbeam, through these baseless court proceedings, has caused the local taxpayers to incur legal fees to address these court challenges, and wonders how this conduct evidences good faith mystifies the court. The county has made 2 multifaceted offers to resolve the tax issue, Moonbeam countering with a $1 million payment over 10 years to settle it, a second offer of $3 million paid over 10 years, and no redevelopment plans, both rejected by the county. County Executive Ryan McMahon actually testifying in the case. It is time to stop the bleeding of the county taxpayers who have so far footed the bill for defendants' brazen failure to pay its taxes.
Now, County Executive Ryan McMahon told me just about a half an hour ago when I interviewed him live in the studio that he is very hopeful that Moonbeam will now be good corporate neighbors, pay up those back taxes, and then the county and Moonbeam can have a discussion as to exactly what they're going to do with this property, because he says there are a lot of possibilities that could happen to redevelop this. Christy and Rod.
All right, Jeff, a question for you. Any indication of an appeal?
We haven't heard anything from Moonbeam. They certainly have a couple of legal options that are available to them, but it looks like they're still going to probably have to pay those taxes within the 14 days or be held in contempt of court.
All right, Jeff, thanks very much. Moonbeam bought Shoppingtown Mall for $14 million at auction back in 2013.
And it has not paid taxes dating back to 2015.